Today I am going to show you how to make Rava Idli or Sooji Idli. Rava Idli is a quick, simple and easy tea time snack or breakfast. This is very low in calories, therefore it is a perfect option for the people those who are very health conscious. This makes a wholesome snack which is very healthy for any kind of parties or gatherings, and even it is very good for children. First, combine the semolina with curd, coriander, salt and a cup of water in a bowl and mix well nicely. Stir it consistently, properly and keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes. Semolina will absorb most of the water while resting, so we can adjust water later again. Now heat some oil in a small non-stick vessel or container and add some mustard seeds to it. And when mustard seed starts crackling, now is the time to add cumin seeds and stir well for a few seconds. Now add urad dal and chana dal and saute it for a minute till the dal becomes little brown and cooked. Now put asafoetida or hing and stir well. Now next we are going to add broken cashews, now curry leaves and green chilies finally, and stir well for about 30 seconds. Now close the flame and let it rest for a minute. Now add this tempering to the semolina batter and mix well. If you want, you can add little more water to adjust the consistency however you want. Now we are going to grease the idli molds with the remaining oil and keep aside. We are going to grease all the molds with the help of oil. You can do it with a brush or with hand, whichever you want. Now add ENO or fruit salt to the batter. As soon as we add ENO to the batter, it will start foaming this way. Keep mixing it well. This will help in making our idlis very light and spongy. Now pour each greased mold with 2 tablespoons of batter. Fill all the molds and keep aside. Now put it inside the container or idli steamer which is filled with some water for steaming and close it. Let it cook on medium-high heat for around 10 to 12 minutes. Now it has been 10 minutes. Let's check it with a knife. If it comes out clean, that means it's ready. Yes, I think it's done now. Let it cool down for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then we can unmold it in a plate. Now our idlis are ready to serve. You can serve it with any kind of coriander chutney, coconut chutney or any chutney of your choice. Now my lovely, healthy, light and spongy Rava idlis are ready to eat now. Doesn't it look lovely and amazing? Do try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Also feel free to share your ideas and any suggestions in respect to this recipe.